Go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Overstreet. You guys know that this weekend is 4th of July weekend. But here's the problem. A lot of the big fireworks events have been cancelled due to the pandemic. And that kind of takes away the tradition of the holiday. But that will not stop us there. We can still buy fireworks at the store and we can still have fun. Also, I've created myself a project for photography on 4th of July, and I want you guys to see it and I want you guys to try it out if you like it. The project I am going to do is to take photos of fireworks in long exposure mode. So these are the fireworks that I think would be best for photography, which is Roman candles, sparklers, and Roman candles. I've seen photos online of people using sparklers and that is really cool and I really want to try that out as well. But I have not seen a photo of someone shooting Roman candles and I thought that we could try it out. So all I have to do is wait until nighttime and go to a safe spot where I can shoot fireworks. And let's do it. We found a safe spot to shoot fireworks and got a lot of Roman candles. My brother's with me to help me out with fireworks and let's have fun. Now I'm back from playing with the fireworks and it has been a blast tonight and it is past midnight right now, so I am really tired but also had so much fun tonight. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. See ya.